Good evening. My name is Miguel Alemañy, or Alemañy, depending on how you want to pronounce it. I am the Chief Executive Officer for SHPE, the Society of Hispanic Professional Engineers. I've been doing this work as an interim CEO while the organization finds a long-term CEO, because SHPE is a very, very important organization that has a mission of finding a way to bring Hispanics into STEM. And we want to raise money to help people go to school. And when they're in school, we support them throughout the whole time they're in school. And when they graduate, we actually help them find employment. We have the largest career fair for Hispanics in STEM, and we place thousands of students every year into the industry, academia, and science. SHPE is the only one that does that to the level that we do. We've been growing, by the way. We used to be 3,000 members. We're about 15,000 these days, and we continue to grow. We have a 50-year anniversary in 2024, and we have a target to increase membership in preparation for that. So stay tuned on that one. So I was here tonight talking about Hispanics. Hispanics are a little bit different than other people in terms of communication styles, in terms of culture and things like that. And I was sharing some of that. And I'll give you one example. So I am here talking to you, and I am forcing myself to have a hand in my pocket, because normally I would be talking like this, which is actually very distracting. And it looks like I'm arguing or whatever, but we Hispanics tend to use our hands to talk. And most of non-Hispanics don't. Most non-Hispanics will be there talking to you like this. And if you're at the school, you're at work, you need to know the differences between Hispanics and non-Hispanics so that you don't scare them with your gestures and they don't seem too lifeless without theirs. Because it's just, none of them is either good or bad, it's just difference. So it is a good thing to understand the difference between Hispanics and non-Hispanics, because you need to navigate the waters, both at school, at work, in academia, whatever you end up working when you graduate, you need to go learn the secret handshake and figure out how to get ahead. So it was a pleasure to be with you guys here tonight. I'm very flattered you asked me, and I'm excited to be here. And once again, if you're not in SHPE, come see us. We will promise you that we will do our best to find you a job when you graduate. It's a very, very small investment. I think it's $10. Don't quote me, I don't remember. I think it's $10. And in return, you may get a job, a full-time job in the industry. So come see us.